Why do I look like a Oompa Loompa again? What is going on with the settings? I need to figure out the settings.
And no matter what, keep doing what you doing. Keep doing whatever it is.
Good morning, YouTube. I know y'all ain't seen me in a minute. I'm vlogging. My edges are laid down, and I'm about to go to the Publix to buy some fruit. And I'm probably gonna get a new tire, go get some breakfast to eat, which will be fruit, because I said I'm gonna be on this fruit diet. I wouldn't say a complete fruit diet, but like majority fruit. So let's go. Oh, by the way, I'm filming a video, skincare video of me using the Dow soap. You know the viral Dow. Hold on. Y'all know the viral Dow soap that's been going viral on TikTok. Come on, lighting, come on. I hate when the lighting switch up. Now I look freaking white. Hold on, I don't like how white I look. Let's put down the settings. So apparently, not apparently, this is, well, it's not factual, because you know they can slap anything on a label. But according to the label, this is antibacterial soap, and it helps, you know, clean the skin. So I've been doing this for a week. That video will be up probably before this video. So yeah, let's go get some fruit. Y'all, it is so damn hot for no reason at all. Don't mind me wearing my little jacket. I always wear a jacket no matter how hot it is, because I know the AC in the car. Once my body get accustomed to it, I'm gonna be cold in a minute. So, what is this in my hair? Oh, that's a hair dye. If y'all can't hear me, why my lip look so white? Let me turn this down a little bit. If y'all can't hear me, I just turned down the AC, but it's because of the AC. But yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I post another video. Yeah, we're gonna go to the Publix first so I can get some breakfast, aka a fruit bowl. And I got my water right here. If you don't drink spring water, what is you doing? I usually get the big gallon spring water, not from Jeffrey Hills, but like, what is it called? Crystal Hill or Crystal, whatever. I'll put a picture up if I can. But they had a sale at Walmart for the pack, so I just got the pack. Yo, the lighting is horrible. I don't know how to fix it. Is that better? Yo, these cars be zooming down the street. Why did my lip look white? These cars be zooming down the streets. Like, no blind for you, ma'am. No blind for you. Okay. For those of you guys that don't know about an iPhone 14, it doesn't come with a chip. It's like chipless, but there's no chip like them. You know how most of the iPhones have a chip on the side of the phone, and then you have to take like an earring or like a tiny pin and insert it to take it out. Yeah, this doesn't have that. And then the part where the camera is so flat. I noticed that. And then the back camera is protruding out, like it's protruding out of the phone. But it's fine. I'm trying to get my Spotify up and going so y'all can. Oh, it already started? going on with the settings? I need to figure out the settings. I need to, because I literally look like a... Let's turn this down. I literally look like an Oompa Loompa. I'm waiting for Bryson part to play. That's my favorite part. What I'm saying? I do get it fitted for us who top, who side. No copyright. That's me. I saw you and told my niggas wait. That's me. Sorry, but I can't help but think it was. I do not like parking by people. I really don't. Just give me a separate spot by myself. Can y'all see me? What is this line? What is this line? Hold on. Okay, y'all, down in my chin. Y'all, I'm getting all the trash out my car. This car, it's not even this car, just cars in general, man. It get dirty real quick. You have to make sure you clean it every day. Every day, every day. I'm starting to do that now, every day, every day. As soon as I come out the car, take out all the empty water bottle them. Take the stuff out. Vacuum every damn week. Because it will add up. You come in here, you track dirt every day. It's gonna add up. It's gonna add up. Alright, y'all. Let's go. Can y'all see me? I'm about to go to Dollar Tree to get some car wipes. I was gonna get hold on, it's too hot out here. It is 88 degrees out here in Florida. I was gonna get fruit. I was gonna get let's pause the music. I was gonna get cantaloupe, because I love cantaloupe, and pineapple, but they didn't come together. Like, and the ones that was cantaloupe came with strawberries, and then the one that was pineapple came with strawberries. I don't want a strawberry. It tastes so weird. I still have the toothpaste taste in my mouth. Woo! I'm taking thumbnail pictures. Oh my God. I gotta be careful. Let's go. $1 too. You guys are currently not on my tripod. My car tripod. You guys are just on the dashboard. So I'm gonna try to go as slow as possible, because they're gonna Publix right here. Dollar Tree, literally across the street, same plaza. So I'm gonna try to go slow without this camera sliding. I'm business who's behind me, because why do people speed in plazas? That never made sense to me. The lighting's freaking up. I look orange again. Why would you speed in the plaza? Never made sense, right? Because why would you do that? Why? You don't think that you can hurt somebody? People are walking. You can hit somebody. This tastes so sour. Hopefully it's because of my toothpaste and not because it's actually sour. Cause this damn bowl costs $7. $7 for your damn bowl. How Okay, sir, damn. This is annoying. Mind your business, man. Steering? Autovada. Where am I smacking? Saw that juice fly. Alright, y'all. We made it. Who Dollar Tree? Let's go. So I parked up. I couldn't find a car wipe, so I bought a disinfectant wipe. Why does this look like it jumped on the ground and get touched up by all the people? Okay. Smells nice. Just gonna wipe down the car. The car need a proper wipe down. And some vacuum. I'm not gonna wash the car because I'm washing it when I get gas again, and my car is a little bit over half a tank. Let's pause this because I don't know why it's playing. So yeah, I'm gonna hop out the car. Oh, let me put the cover back on this. I'm already hungry for real. Like, but I know that's just my brain. My body's used to eating like actual food and not just fruit. So I think that's why it's like, girl, what's going on? Alright, so let me do what I gotta do. Y'all, I'm back in business. My car is back in business. The sign for the tire being out of air is not there anymore. Yeah. So my camera's about to die too. Like, yeah. This is why I need to keep the batteries. I charge the extra batteries and never bring them with me. So we need to charge our batteries and bring them with me. But anyways, the camera's about to die, so this is probably the end of the vlog for today. The end of today. I'm gonna come back to y'all tomorrow.